Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Uber Eats to Uber Driver. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you want to switch to maybe let's just say, driving with Uber, well, you just need to access the proper pages. So first things first is you want to open up any browser here and just type in the following. It's going to be switch driving with Uber. Now you want to look for the specific link here for Uber. So that's www.uber.com. Switch to driving. Let's go and just choose this link. Now, once you've selected this, the next thing that you want to do is you want to understand a few things. Now, in order for you to make the switch here from Uber Eats to driving, you need to provide certain details. Like, for example, what vehicle you're going to use, especially if you're just using, let's just say, a bicycle or a motor to make your deliveries. So you need to provide the necessary details here. Now, depending on what already documents you provided, it might take them around a few days, around like 24 to 48 hours for them to make the review. And if they need further documentations for you, they will reach out to you and ask you to provide those documentation. Now, typically, what you just need to do is you want to go and click on Contact Support to switch. Now, again, depending on your documentation or your what documentation you've already provided, it may take longer. And what you need to do is you want to go and just basically log in here in order for you to get help. So once you've logged in, usually you should see a text window or a section here for reaching out to support. So at the bottom right here. So let's go and just log in real quickly here. Now, once you've logged in, you just need to go to the very bottom here and you should see the submit button. Now, just keep in mind, depending on what you are aiming here, like if you want to switch to Uber X, if you want to understand all the requirements for Uber X here, you can go and enable those. And also, if you want to change cities as well, you can go and just enable this as well and enter the new city that you want to drive in. And again, there are certain requirements if you want to use Uber X here. But yeah, so by the way, if you make the switch here, you won't be able to switch back to Uber Eats. So you'll only be able to make a request again after 12 days here. But yeah, but that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.